Lesson 13. A good house and neighborhood. In this lesson, we are going to learn about features of a good house, our neighbors, our neighborhood, various services in the neighborhood. House is a place where a family lives happily together. House provides shelter to the family. We feel safe inside our house. House keeps us safe from heat, rain, cold, storm, dust, animals and thieves. Features of a good house. A good house should be pleasant and a comfortable place to live in. A good house should have enough open space for children to play. It should have green plants around. A good house is surrounded by trees and plants. A good house needs air, water, light, and many other important things. A house should get enough sunshine. Doors and windows of a good house should be covered with a wire mask to keep away the mosquitoes and insects. Everything in the house should be kept neat and clean. Our neighbors. Man is a social animal. He lives in a society. We live with our family in a house. Many other families also live near our house. These families are our neighbors. Neighbors play an important role in our social life. Good neighbors make our life pleasant. It is very important to have good neighbors. We should always help our neighbors and share things with them. Our neighborhood. Neighborhood means any area near or around our house. There are many important places near our house. These places give us very useful and important services. These services make our neighborhood a better place to live in. There can be many houses, buildings, shops and factories around our house. All these places form our neighborhood. Some important services in our neighborhood are market, post office, police station, clinic and hospital, fire station, banks, public library, pharmacy or a chemist shop, schools, restaurants. Now let us have a look at each one of them in detail. Market. We need market in the neighborhood. The market is usually a busy place. There are many shops and stalls in a market. Many things are available in the market. We purchase many things from the market. Some markets are big and some are small. In a large market, there are many kinds of shops. We can buy fruits, vegetables, clothes, books, toys, machines, tools, and other grocery items from the market. Post office. We can buy stamps, envelopes, inland letters, and postcards from the post office. We can also send letters, parcels, telegrams, registered post, etc. to our friends and relatives through post office. We can send money from one place to another by money order through post office. We put the letter in the letter box. A postman collects the letter from the post box. The letter is then delivered to the written address. We can also deposit our money for a fixed period in a post office as we do in a bank. Police station. Every neighborhood has a police station. Police station is a place where police works. Many policemen are on duty outside the police station. They are seen near our houses, in the market, and other places. They help us to maintain the law and order. They look after the people, their belongings, and keep us safe. A policeman catches the thieves and robbers and takes them to the police station. Traffic police controls the traffic on the roads. Clinic and hospital. When people fall sick, they go to a clinic or hospital for treatment. The doctor examines the patient and also gives medicines. Clinic is a small place, but hospital is big. There are many doctors, nurses, and other staff members in the hospital. Many patients are there in a hospital. The doctors give them medicines and injections. Nurses take care of patients. A small hospital is called a dispensary. In some of the dispensaries, medicines are given free of cost to the patients. Fire station. There is a fire station in every city. When there is a major fire, we call the fire station to put off the fire. A fire station has fire engines, long water pipes, and ladders. The firemen are brave. They start firefighting using long hose pipes and high ladders. Fire brigade does a very useful work to save the life and property of people by putting their lives at risk. Banks. We can deposit our money and gold in the bank. Bank keeps it safe for us. Public library. A library has many books. We can become a member of the library and can borrow many books to read. The librarian helps us to choose a book. Pharmacy or chemist shop. We can buy medicines from a chemist shop. Many medicines are available at a chemist shop. Pharmacist gives us medicines prescribed by a doctor. School. Children go to school to learn how to read and write. They also learn good manners and good habits in the school. Restaurant. Every neighborhood also has a restaurant. We get variety of food items in a restaurant. We can go to a restaurant and eat or even order a home delivery. All these neighborhood services are very useful to us. We should not cut down the trees or spoil the plants around our neighborhood. We should not throw garbage in public places. We should make our neighborhood a better place to live in. Points to remember. Neighbors are families who live near our house. We should love and respect our neighbors. A good neighborhood provides us many useful and important services. Answer in one word. A place for walking and playing. Come on, tell me where we play and walk. Right, in the park. A place where we can buy stamps. Come on, tell me from where we can buy stamps. Come on, tell me fast. Right, from post office. Thieves are taken here. Come on, tell me where thieves are taken. Right, to the police station. People keep money. Come on, tell me where do people keep their money? Come on, tell me fast. Right, in the bank. Borrowing books. From where do people borrow the books? Come on, tell me. Right, from the library. Buying fruits and vegetables. From where do we buy fruits and vegetables? Come on, tell me. Right, from the market. So, a place for walking and playing is a park. A place where we can buy stamps is post office. Thieves are taken at police station. People keep their money in the bank. From the library, people borrow the books. And we buy fruits and vegetables from the market. Name 3 things we can buy at the following places: vegetable market and fruit market. Vegetable market. Come on, tell me what we can buy from vegetable market. Give me 3 names of vegetables. which we can buy from vegetable market? Fast. Right. Tomato, potato and onion. Tomato, potato and onion. Fruit market. What we can buy from fruit market? Come on, give me 3 names of any fruits which we can buy from fruit market. Right. Apple, banana and mango. Apple, banana and mango. So, we can buy tomato, potato and onion from vegetable market and apple, banana and mango from fruit market. Fill in the blanks with given options. We drop letters in a dash. Come on, tell me, where do we drop letters? Which is the correct option out of these? Come on, tell me fast. Right, post box. Dash protects us from thieves. Who protects us from thieves? Right, policeman. A doctor gives us dash. Come on, tell me which is the correct option. Right, medicines. Dash look after the patients. Come on, tell me who look after the patients. Right, nurses. So, we drop letters in a post box. Policeman protects us from thieves. A doctor gives us medicines. Nurses look after the patients. Who works at the following places? The police station. Who works at the police station? Come on, tell me. Right, policeman. The fire station. Who works at the fire station? Come on, tell me. Right, fireman. A hospital. Who works at a hospital? Right, a doctor and a nurse. A traffic signal. Who works at a traffic signal? Come on, tell me. Remember I told you earlier? Right, traffic police. A library. Who works at a library? Right, a librarian. So, policeman works at the police station. Fireman worked at the fire station. Doctor and nurse worked at a hospital. Traffic police worked at a traffic signal. And librarian works at a library. Answer the following. You have to answer these questions on your own. What is the meaning of the word neighborhood? What does a fire station have? Which services are offered by a bank? What do children learn at school? What is available at pharmacy?